3 things that go into every single product title so that they convert and that you can monetize and get those clicks and conversions, guys. Okay, number 1. Number 1 thing you need to know if you want to sell online: product titles. If you're a product-based business and you aren't using product titles correctly, then you're in a heap of trouble. My name is Heather Roberts, and I'm the co-founder of RSG Sales. So what goes into a product title? It's really very simple formula that every single person should follow. Number 1, you need to say what the product is. It sounds so elemental and so easy, but do you understand or know how many people don't actually do that? Instead, they'll say the rosemary tree-shaped design and blah, 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 but they don't actually say, I'm talking about an end table. The second thing you need to know is dimensions, and this is huge and key, guys. So the reason you need to include your product dimensions in your product title so that the customer knows right off the bat if it's going to fit in the space. Okay, let me repeat that. The customer needs to know if it's going to fit in their space. The third thing you need to make sure you include is color. Now, this is in every single solitary product title. If you've got multiple variations and multiple colors of the same things, then you need to say, for instance, 28 by 14 by 14 blue table lamp. Very basic. I'm going to also throw in a couple of little pro tips. If you can, include the material. That's huge. So that way the person who is purchasing the product understands that, oh wait, not only do I have what it is, table lamp, I know the dimensions, 28 by 14 by 14, and it's bronze, and it has a floral design. Boom, that is a killer perfect product title. Okay, so just a quick recap. 3 things that go into every single product title so that they convert and that you can monetize and get those clicks and conversions, guys. Okay, number 1, what is it? Number 2, what color is it? And number 3, what are the dimensions? All right, y'all. Hope you find that helpful. If you want some help with this because you're still a little unsure about exactly how much to include in your product title, easy peasy. Just comment me below and we will reach out to you and help you get all situated. All right. Thanks, gang.